Gentleman from San Juan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. Witness, what was the purpose for filing complaint before the Ombudsman, knowing fully well that there is already an ongoing impeachment trial here? And in fact, you mentioned to Senator Santiago that the data that you obtained, the evidence, the pieces of evidence that you attached to the letter to the Ombudsman came from the impeachment court.
Your Honor, yung aming complaint po kay that we filed sa office ni Ombudsman Carpio Morales was for ill-gotten wealth po. Hindi po ito complaint that is saklaw po ng Article 2 ng impeachment, which is non-disclosure po ng SALN. So, iba po yung aming complaint at ginawa po namin ito dahil nga po yun nga po, para marami pong mga katanungan, marami po na gusto namin pong masagot tungkol po dito sa mga lumabas na dokumento nitong impeachment trial.
Okay, I just got hold of a press release. I think this came from your group. What is the name of your group again?
Kaya natin po.
Okay. You obtained a document coming from an anonymous source. Am I correct? That was what you mentioned a while ago. And you said here, it says here, Civil Society Group, Kaya Natin convener Harvey Kesh showed ABS-CBN News purported bank statement summaries which show Corona's alleged dollar accounts as well as euro accounts. He said he got the documents from someone he does not know. And then the last line you said he also obtained the names of some of the individuals who allegedly deposited money. Who are these individuals?
I did not dictate names po, Your Honor. At saka we did not release any press release from our organization about this.
Meron bang nakalagay ng mga pangalan dyan sa dokumento mo na sinumiti mo kay Senate President?
Opo, may mga pangalan po.
Na-authenticate mo ba yan? Has that been authenticated?
Your Honor, hindi po. As I said in my letter to the Honorable Presiding Officer, I can neither authenticate nor vouch for its veracity, primarily because I do not even know where it came from.
So you had the guts and temerity to submit or to present that piece of those documents to the Senate President without verifying the authenticity of those documents.
I'm very sorry, Your Honor, but...
No. I'm asking you.
Yes.
Is it true that the documents that you submitted to the office of the Senate President were not authenticated?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwedeng gawa-gawa lang?
Opo, Your Honor.
Pwedeng gawa-gawa mo lang?
Hindi ko po gawa-gawa, Your Honor.
Hindi, pwedeng mangyari yun na gawa-gawa mo lang at ibinigay mo rito sa opisina ni Senate President. Dahil hindi mo alam kung kanino galing. Pwede rin kami mag-assume na gawa-gawa mo lang. Correct.
Hindi ko po gawa-gawa kasi, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I really don't know where this came from. And in fact, to be honest with you, I really felt bad when the focus of the interview that came out was really just about the documents.
All right. You mentioned to the Senate President earlier that when you went to his office and about to present those documents that you had on hand, you saw media people there, and you did not bring these cameramen.
Yes, Your Honor.
You just saw these media people in the office of the Senate President?
Ganito po, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking you. Did you just see these media people in the office of the Senate President?
Yes po, isa lang po yung media na nandun, yung ABS-CBN.
Ano ang ginagawa ng media doon? Was the Senate President being interviewed?
I do not know, Your Honor. But maybe, as I said, maybe they were waiting for me, Your Honor.
So inabisuhan mo sila na ikaw ay pupunta sa opisina ni Senate President at pinapakunan mo yung pag-submit mo ng dokumento sa opisina ni Senate President. Tama po ba ako?
Nung Sunday po, nung in-interview po ko, Your Honor, I already mentioned to them that I will be submitting the documents to the Office of Senate President.
When did you receive these documents again?
Nung Thursday po ng umaga.
Thursday?
May 3.
Last week?
2 weeks ago po, Your Honor.
2 weeks ago. Okay. When you receive these documents, I hope you will answer this truthfully because you're under oath. Ikaw ba nagtatawag ka ng mga reporter para ilako ang storya mo?
Nagtatawag ng reporter?
Yes. At sinasabi mo sa mga reporter, I have these documents given to me anonymously that shows that that the Chief Justice has indeed $2 million and plus euro dollars or euro accounts. Meron ka bang tinawagang mga reporter?
Wala po akong tinawagang reporter.
Meron ka bang, inulit ko siya, meron ka bang tinawagang 1, 2, 3 reporter para ibenta ang mga dokumento na hawak mo, na ibinigay mo sa Pangulo ng Senado?
Okay. As far as I can remember, wala po akong tinawagang reporter. Meron lang po akong tinext na isang kaibigan ko po na sinabi ko po na hindi ko po sinabi na na ganon. Sinabi ko lang po na I received these documents anonymously and that's it.
At tapos gusto mo pasulat sa kanya. Sino yung reporter na tinawagan mo? Na tinext mo?
Yung kaibigan ko po sa Abante po, si Mr. Makasait.
Sino si Mr. Makasait?
Hindi po, yung ano po, yung
tabloid po 'yon, di ba?
Apo.
O sa broadsheet. Huwag ka magsisinungaling, represent ako sa harap mo ngayon.
Sa broadsheet po, wala po akong maalala particularly, pero ano po, meron po akong nakausap about na, okay, ganito po, kasi ang interview po sa akin kasi last week, tungkol po sa mga $10 million accounts nung kay Ombudsman, yung reaction ko po. Pero po, kausap ko po yung isang reporter na kaibigan ko about it.
Alam mo, Mr. K, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa dahil wala na akong oras, nag-ring na yung bell. Sagutin mo lang yung tanong ko tungkol sa mga dokumentong ipresenta mo kay Senate President. Meron ka bang tinawagan reporter sa broadsheet para inilalako mo yung istorya mo, yung dokumento mo, para masulat, para masira si Chief Justice Corona?
Nabanggit ko po. Opo.
Kanino?
Sa kaibigan ko po, si Miss Tina Dumlao.
Tiga?
Inquirer po.
Gusto mong pasulat sa kanya para tuloy masira yung kinamumuhian mo, yung respondent dito sa kasong ito. Ganun ba yon?
Hindi po. Actually, ang...
Are you up for publicity, Mr. K?
Your Honor, if sa totoo lang po, if I wanted publicity, dapat sa totoo lang po, nagtawag na lang po ako ng press conference.
Kung nga nagtawag doon sa opisina ni Senate President, you don't want publicity. And then now you admitted that you're trying to call reporters. And you're trying to sell or you're trying to offer these documents that you presented the Senate President. Those authenticated and verified documents. Sinungaling ka.
I'm very sorry po if, Your Honor.
That's all, Mr. President.
Anyway, Majority Floor Leader.
Finally, Mr. President, the Minority Leader, Senator Alan Cayetano.
The Minority Floor Leader.
Magandang hapon.